The China Railway Group Limited, a company that was initially selected to construct the massive Amaila Falls hydropower project in 2012, has once again been granted approval to construct this massive renewable energy project. According to a press release from the Ministry of Finance, Cabinet granted its no objection for the Office of the Prime Minister to engage the company. This project will be built on a build, own, operate, transfer or BOOT model, where the company will supply electricity to the Guyana Power and Light (GPL) Inc. at a cost not exceeding 7 US cents per kilowatt hour. Earlier on Monday, during a press conference, Vice President Dr. Bart Jagdeo stated that with Cabinet's no objection, the government would soon move into negotiations with the company. Further explaining the model the project is being established on, the Vice President said that the government will be buying power that is generated from the Amaila Falls and not the project itself. Importantly, though, the government will have oversight for the project. According to reports in the local media, the project is expected to cost just under US $1 billion. But Dr. Jagdeo says the government will not be paying any sum for the establishment of the project.
We are not going to put any money into the project. We're just buying power. And at 7.7 cents and below that, because we still have to do some negotiations, we can still sell power at 15 cents per kilowatt hour, which is what we are hoping to do, because now it's 30 cents per kilowatt hour, and still make a good profit for GPL.
The Finance Ministry release stated that this project will lower the cost of electricity needed to power Guyana's economic diversification and transformation into a low-carbon economy, as well as reduce the cost to power businesses and households. The project is also expected to support initiatives such as the electrification of transport and e-mobility and accelerate the development of a robust ICT sector needed for an interconnected world, as well as a competitive manufacturing sector. This no objection for the Chinese company follows a publication of requests for proposals by the government in various national newspapers during the period July 25th to August 15th, 2021. A total of 4 companies submitted proposals. According to the press release, China Railway Group Limited was identified as the most capable partner by the evaluation committee after a rigorous evaluation process. Subsequently, the National Procurement and Tender Administration Board, NPTAB, submitted the relevant recommendation to Cabinet for no objection. For context, the Amaila Falls project was first identified in 1976 by a Canadian company during an extensive survey of hydroelectric power potential in Guyana. In 2009, this project was launched as part of Guyana's efforts to pursue a more low-carbon future using less fossil fuels like the heavy oil that GPL currently provides. But the project was voted down in the National Assembly by the APNU-AFC coalition and eventually shelved despite a 2016 Norwegian study that supported its merit. When the current Irfan Ali-led government was voted into office last year, however, efforts to revive this project got underway. Emphasis has been placed on this project since Guyana's electricity demand will triple in the next 5 years, and the government is looking to meet the challenge not by burning more diesel and heavy oil, but through natural gas and hydropower. Reporting for the newsroom, I am Vishani Ragveer.